Questions to ask your agent if you're trying to list your house. What type of things can actually help me get top dollar for my house? Now, during the listing presentation, if they didn't walk around and tell you things that needed to be changed and try and help you out, you may not have found the right realtor. If all they did is sit at the kitchen table or on the couch and talk to you, you may like these people. They may be your best friend, but are they really looking out for your best interest? Sometimes a fresh coat of paint may end up helping. Sometimes an odd-shaped room or having somebody come over and stage your house may actually get you top dollar. Some of those houses out there that look a little different, a stager can come in and make a gob of difference on what you're trying to get. So ask your realtor, what little things can I do to help out my appearance of my house in order to try and get top dollar? Sometimes it's as simple as planting a few flowers.